Here we are to tell you that this is the time to take action right now. This is not going to be around forever. I'm 60 years old and I want to get it out to you, but I'm going to give it to you all, right? Because the modern wealth building formula shows you how to do real estate across the board, so you get to choose what you want. But the beauty of it is it has structure for fulfillment on how to master real estate investing. And what it includes is just absolutely incredible, right? It starts out with the 11 secrets and the 60 pitfalls of real estate investing. You want to find out how not to make a mistake, right? That's the key. You don't want to lose money. And then I give you the golden nuggets. These are little golden nuggets that took me years to learn, and you get started with it. And then I reverse engineered. I learned top-down thinking. I built skyscrapers in New York City, and I created this course, How to Master Real Estate and Development. And I said, you know what? That only touches 3% of the people, and my purpose in life is to bring you to your greatness, to give you more power, freedom, self-expression, and peace of mind. And how do I do that? I give it to you all. I give you the financial freedom protocol. That's the foundation for the modern wealth building formula. That specific program is the protocol that I did 137 deals in 1 year. I'm not kidding. The modern wealth building formula enabled me to do a $17 million project using other people's experience and other people's money. And then the modern wealth building formula was proven out for wholesaling, fixing and flipping, commercial real estate, all types of market, entitlement, land development, skyscrapers. It works. And guess what? The modern wealth building formula not only shows you how to master real estate investing, it also applies to business. You get the best of both worlds. But what I want to tell you, I mentioned structure for fulfillment. It has a system. It shows you what to do. It has all the templates. It has 30 years of experience. It has $100,000 worth of value. I did a bond deal. It was municipal bonds. I had to spend $600,000 in legal fees, all the agreements apart, and I have packaged this into the global real estate investment enterprise. I'm offering this enterprise. It's only going to be open for a very short time. I'm bringing in very select people, but we're allowing people to join the enterprise that are beginners and experienced. We have one gentleman that is developing hundreds of units, other people that are buying multifamily. We have people that are just getting started in real estate and learning about a letter of intent. We have other people buying wholesaling deals, fixing and flipping. What am I trying to tell you? The enterprise, the global real estate enterprise is what you want to get involved with today. And this is only going to be up for another 48 hours. So take advantage right now. The Global Real Estate Investment Enterprise gives you modern wealth building formula, financial freedom protocol, and we're coming out with Real Estate Master University, which will come to you also. Take action right now. Ken Van Liew saying, make it a great day.